Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on using the remote camera shutter on the Realme Watch 2. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. The remote shutter is a great feature to use when your phone is on a tripod or the shutter button is not easy to reach for your photo. Press the side button to wake the watch's screen, then swipe up from the bottom of the screen to open the app menu. Scroll down the menu and tap Camera Remote. If the remote is not working, it may be because the feature is not enabled. To enable it, open up the Realme Link app on your phone. In the My Devices section, tap on your watch's name. Then choose More Functions from the options. Tap Camera Controller. Now turn on the toggle to the right of Camera Controller. When the toggle is turned on, it will be blue. Open the camera app on your phone and then go back to the camera remote on your watch. Tap the camera on your watch to take a photo with your phone. If you go into video mode on your phone, you can also start and stop recording videos with your watch by tapping the camera button. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Realme Watch tips and tricks.